VA Animal Control provides professional and humane, cost-effective wildlife removal and pest control solutions for residential and commercial customers. We handle all kinds of wildlife control and animal removal problems. Squirrels, raccoons, skunks, snakes, bats, even foxes and coyotes. Not sure? Give us a call. Wild animals can pose a significant threat to small children and pets. Our family-owned business is operated by technicians with almost a decade of experience. At VA Animal Control, we have the equipment and skills to eliminate your wild animal problems quickly and efficiently, keeping you and your family safe and healthy. If you suspect you may have an animal problem, give us a call or visit us online. You can also find us on Facebook.